Hey sis, it's me, your girl Abby. Welcome back to my channel. If that subscribe button is still red, you're doing something wrong. Hit the subscribe button now to turn it gray, then hit the bell and select all so you can join the family. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, I'll be quickly showing you guys how I put on my press-on nails. It's a very simple and quick step to give you press-on nails that last a few weeks. So the first thing that I like to do, I like to wash my hands, basically exfoliate my hands with my Lush body scrub called Ocean Salt. I use it on my face, body, wherever. Absolutely love this stuff. So basically what you want to do is take a little of this product out and then just quickly wet your hands in a bowl or at your pipe, whichever, and basically wash your hands. So I said just exfoliating my hands, get them real clean and smooth so I can go ahead and apply my press-ons. You don't specifically have to use a Lush product or this Ocean Salt. I love it. If you want to try it, definitely go do so. But you can use just about any products to wash your hands and get them clean so you can go ahead and put on your press-ons. So I'm just going to quickly rinse my hands off, remove this bowl, and then dry my hands so I can go ahead and go on to the next step. So for this part, I like to just quickly use a nail clip. Use whatever type you have. I just found this one first, so I'm using it. I like to shape up my nails, clip away any dead skin, cuticles, anything like that, clean up my nails so they look proper. I like when my nails are cut fairly short before I put on any nails, whether it's press-ons or acrylics, gels, whatever. I just prefer it that way. So you just want to go ahead, use your nail file, clean up your shape up your nails however you like, so then you can go out and apply your nails. For the nails that I use, these are from Kiss. You can get these just about anywhere. These I bought at the local beauty store. Along with that, I did buy some nail glue as well. I don't normally use the nail glue that comes in the box, so I bought some separate. So at this point, I'm basically just fitting the nails to my own. You want to make sure there's no spaces on either side of your nail when you're fitting your press-ons. And once you've found a nail that fits you, gives you the look that you're going for, you just want to look for the number underneath it and find the matching nail that matches that number. And that's basically all you got to do to find the nails that you're going to use. And once you've found those nails, you just want to put them separate and then put the rest in a box or whatever you want to do with them. Give them away, throw them in, whatever, or use the rest. I don't know, up to you, but I basically put mine away because I don't think any other ones in the box can actually fit me. So after you've actually found all the nails that you'll be using, you want to get your nail file again and shape up these nails to make sure they actually fit your nail shape properly. So I like to file around the edges, and I also do file on the inside where that will be touching onto your own nail. I do this so it can give it a little rough texture, and this will allow the nail glue to stick better to your own nails. And I'll also be using this same nail file on my nails to give it a little rough texture. So I'm not using the smooth part, I'm using the rough part. So it gives it a little rough texture, and this, as I said, allows the nail and allows you to press on to adhere to your own nail properly, and it will last longer this way as well. So I'm just going to drop a few drops of glue onto my own nail and then press the nail on directly onto that. I will be holding down onto it for a few seconds to make sure it actually dries properly and it's stuck on there real good. And you can see that's about it, guys. If there are any glues or anything spilling over, you just want to clean that up real quick. There shouldn't be any. Just make sure you're not putting too much glue on your nail so it doesn't go everywhere. But after you do that, you just want to repeat the same step and keep it going until all your nails are done. So as I said, for the nails, you can get them just about anywhere. Amazon, local beauty supply store, pharmacy. They're available in different lengths. This length that I put on, I believe it is a long. It doesn't look long to me, but you can get short, medium, and long, I believe. You can get them in different colors. You can get them more chill. You can do French manicures or whatever suits you. There are many different options to choose from, so it's whatever works for you. Alright guys, so this is me finishing my left hand. That's the final look of it. I did actually end up losing my final clip showing you guys exactly how that turned out. Fortunately, I do have a few pictures show you guys how they actually look. But this is basically all I do to put on my press-on nails. It's real simple and real quick to do. You know, if you're just running about, especially now during the pandemic, a lot of people don't want to go out and do their nails. Press-on's a real simple way to do that. But that's about it, guys. But I did just want to say to you, if you watched the whole video, you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate and love every one of you for supporting my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. But remember, guys, positive mind, positive vibes, and positive life.